everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do this pink eyeshadow look. It is for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, which October is. And those of you who have been with me know I have been battling breast cancer for a year. I thought I would be finished because this is the 1 year mark, October. It was discovered by mammogram October a year ago. And I'm not done. My wound's not healed. I had to push back my mammogram until November. I still have wound care appointments through November. So hopefully maybe November I'll be done. But unfortunately it will not be the month of October, which I was hoping, but that's okay. I'd rather be healthy and make sure everything is okay. I have not got my final clearance that I'm totally cancer-free, although the majority of my doctors are like 99% sure I am. And I am feeling better. So I think I am cancer-free for sure. But it's just nice to hear that, yeah, you're good. So I decided to do a pink eyeshadow look because pink is the color for breast cancer awareness. And this is it. If you want to see how I did it, I used the Colourpop LaLa palette. So if you want to see how I did this look, just keep watching. Okay, I am starting with the color Soft Core, and I am putting that in my transition area. So from the crease all the way up to the brow bone, but not all the way up to the eyebrow. Next, I'm taking the color Sandbar, and I'm going to go back over that area, maybe not as much as I did Soft Core, because I would like for that color to show through a little bit, but I did want to add some more pink to that transition area. So that's what I'm doing right now. Next, I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm going over the edges just so I can get everything smooth. Then I take the color Trove, and I'm going to put that in my crease. I want to deepen my crease. So I will not be taking it all the way up to the brow, just trying to keep it in the crease and on the outer edge or the outer corner. Now, I did have to build this color up quite a bit. I was not too pleased with it. It wasn't as pigmented or as dark as I thought it was going to be. So I had to work this one a little bit to get it to look nice. Next, I'm going back in with Sandbar with a little detail brush, and I'm going under my lower lash line with that, and I'm going to take that color all the way across. I'm going to use that instead of a liner on my lower lash line. I'm keeping it close to the lash line because I'm going to add Trove now, and I'm going to put that also under the lower lash line, keeping it on the outer corner mainly, working it halfway over and just to make it a little darker. Next, I'm going in with Big Sugar. This is a pretty shimmer. I'm doing the inside V, so the inner half of my eyelid, so from the inside over to about halfway. Then I'm going in with Opulent, also a shimmer. That one's going on the outer V. They're very close in color, but I think you can see the difference. Next, I'm taking Tickled. I'm going to use my finger, and I'm going over the entire lid area with that, just to give me some shimmer and to brighten things up. And then I take Trove again. I'm going to try to darken that crease a little bit more. I want it a little darker. And then I take Moonstruck. That's a pretty gold. I'm going to use that on the inner corner as a highlight. I will also be taking that and putting it up as a highlight under my eyebrows. After that, I put on my liner and my mascara, and I am all done with my look. Okay, there we go. There is my finished look using the LaLa palette by Colourpop. It is a bit pinker than I was planning. I was thinking something lighter, but with those shades, I had to have known it was going to turn out a little pinker. After I put on my mascara and my liner, I did go back in with Moonstruck, which is that gold, and popped it in the center of my lid because you guys know I like to shine right in the center of my lid. I felt like it needed it. So, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys next time.